Dear children, now let us solve LBA questions of the chapter Areas related to circles. Unit 11 Areas related to circles. Now let us solve the multiple choice questions. First question. If area of the circle is 49 pi square units, then its perimeter is. Here what is given? Area of the circle is given. What is the formula for the area of the circle? A equals pi r square, that is equals to what? 49 pi. So you can cancel pi. Then r square equals 49 means r equals square root of 49, which is equals to 7 units. Then perimeter. What is the formula to find the perimeter of the circle? Formula to find the perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. B is equals to 2 pi r, which is equals to 2 into, here in terms of pi r there, 2 into pi into r is 7. 2 7s are 14. The answer is 14 pi. So where it is? Option C is the answer. 14 pi. In terms of pi means don't put the value of pi, and here you got r equals 7. Put the value of r here. 2 into pi into 7. 2 7s are 14. So the option C is the answer. 14 5 units. Then you take the second question. The total surface area of two congruent circles of radius r units. You know the formula to find the area of the circle. If its radius is r, that is 5r square. 5r square is the area of one circle, and two congruent circles are there, means both of them are having same area. 5r square plus 5r square is equals to 2 pi r square. Then what is the answer? Option A is the answer. Area of two congruent circles. 5r square plus 5r square, 2 5r square. Then you take the third question. In a circle of radius r, the length of an arc of a sector of angle theta is. You know the formula to find the length of the arc of a sector of angle theta. That is, what is that? Length of the arc of the sector of angle theta. You know, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Here you observe theta by 360, 5r square is there. It is an area of the sector. Theta by 360 to 2 5r square is there. It is not the answer. And here theta by 180 by pi r is there. And theta by 180 to pi r is there. So here omit these two answer. Out of these two, which one is true? Here 2 pi r is there, 2 pi r is there. But if 2 pi r is there means theta by 360 must be there. This is also not the answer. What about this? Here you can cancel this 2. 2 1s are 2 180s are. So what you are going to get? Theta by 180 into pi r. So then what is the answer? Theta by 180 into answer. Here theta by 360 into 2 pi r is same as theta by 180 into pi r. If here 2 comes, here it must be 360. If 2 is not there means theta by 360 into pi r. Then next question, the area of sector of 1/4 part of the circle with radius r is. Area of sector of 1/4 of the part of the circle. You know the area of the circle. Area of the circle is 5r square. 1/4 means by 4. 5r square by 4 cm square. So where is the answer? 1/4 area of the 5r square. 1/4 of 5r square means 5r square by 4. Next question, fifth question. the area of sector of 3/4 part of the circle. 1/4 part means 1/4 into 5r square, that is 5r square by 4. Here 3/4 part means 3/4 into 5r square. 3/4 into 5r square, which is equals to 3 5r square by 4. So what is the answer? Option C, 3 5r square by 4. 1/4 part means 5r square by 4. 3/4 part means 3 5r square by 4. Half means 5r square by 2. Then you take sixth question. If diameter of the circle is 14 cm, then its circumference is, diameter means 2r. Or directly you can use the formula pi into d. Perimeter or circumference is equals to pi into d, or pi into 2r, 2 pi r is nothing but pi into 2r. Then pi means 22/7 into 2 into 2r means diameter means 2r. 2r means what? 14. 2 1s are 2 2s are 22 2s are. So what is the answer? B, 44. Here diameter is given. Directly you can do pi into d. That is 22/7 into d. Diameter is 14. Like this way, 2 7 1s are 7 2s are 22 2s are. If radius is given, you can use the formula 2 pi r. Seventh question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle and length of the arc APP is 4 pi cm. If OB equals 9 cm, then the measure of theta is. Here what is given? Radius is given. OB is equals to 9 cm means that is radius. R is equals to 9 cm. And length of the arc of the sector is given. That is theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equals to how much? 4 pi. 4 pi. You can cancel this pi and this pi. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then theta by 360 into r equals to into r. R is here 9 equals 2 is there, right? 2. Then 9 1s are 9, 4s are 36, 40. So I got theta by 40 is equals to 2. So what about theta? Theta is equals to 80 degree. Theta is equals to 80 degree. So what is the answer? Option B is the answer. Here length of the arc is given means theta by 360 into 2 pi r is given, and OB is given is nothing but that is radius. OB is radius. So in the place of r put 9 and you must write the formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r equals how much? It is 4 pi. Like this way you must write. Then you put the value of r and you cancel 5 pi. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Put the value of r and calculate it. Next question. Question number 8. In the figure, area of the segment APB is. You know the formula to find the area of the segment. Area of the segment is always equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Corresponding triangle. Here area of sector APB means this much. That is equals to what? This whole area. Area of sector AOB minus area of triangle. So what is the answer? Area of sector minus area of triangle. What is that answer? Option C is the answer. area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle AOB. Next question, 9th question. If the diameter of a circle is 21 centimeter, then its circumference. Again we got the same type of question. Here the diameter is given, that is D. Directly you can multiply phi and D. Diameter is 21 centimeter. Directly you can use the relation C is equals to pi D. C is equals to pi D, or C is equals to 2 pi R. 2R means D. Pi is 22 by 7. Diameter is 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are 22 into 3, 66. Otherwise you take here D equals 2R equals 21 centimeter. Then perimeter is 2 pi R, which is equals to pi into 2R. Pi is 22 by 7. 2R is 21. Same. Again you will get 22 into 3, 66. You can use any one of the method. Here the answer is option C, 66 centimeter. Then the next question. If the area of a circle is 154 cm square, then its circumference is. Here area of the circle is given. And what is the formula for the area of the circle? Pi r square equals how much? 154. Then pi is 22 by 7 into r square equals 154. Then 22 ones are 22 sevens are. So you will get r square equals 7 into 7, or otherwise you can do it as 22 by 7 into r square equals 154. Then r square equals 154 into 7 by 22. Here 22 by 7 is to be transferred to RHS. Then again 22 ones are 22 sevens are. Then r equals what? Root 7 into 7, which is equals to 7. You got r equals 7. Then circumference. What is the formula for the circumference? 2 pi r. Then you write C equals 2 pi r, which is equals to 2 into pi is 22 by 7. R is 7. 7, 7 cancels. 22 2s are 44. Then the answer is 44 centimeter. If the area of the circle is 154 centimeter, you will get the radius is equals to 7. If the radius is 7, 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7, 7 cancels. You will get 44. Then in the figure, radius of the circle with the center OE is r centimeter. Area of the sector OAPB. Here area of the sector OAPB means this one. For this, what is the angle? The angle here given, this angle is 30 degree. For this, the angle must be this much, that is equals to 360 minus 30 degree. So here in option A, that is there. So for theta, you must take 360 degree minus 30 degree, which is equals to how much? 330 degree. 330 degree by 360 into what? Pi r square. For the area of the bigger sector, major sector, this much. So which answer? Which is the answer here? The answer is option A. Then let us take. Then you take the 12th question. The length of the arc of a quadrant of radius r is. Here length of the arc of quadrant. Quadrant means it is 1 by 4 of the circle. For complete circle, the length is 2 pi r. The length of the circle. That is nothing but the circumference of the circle or perimeter of the circle. Length of the arc of the circle is 2 pi r, which is also called circumference or perimeter. Then 1 by 4, quadrant means 1 by 4. So 2 pi r by 4. 2 pi r by 4. So you can cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. You will get pi r in the numerator by 2. Pi r by 2. So what is the answer? Option C is the answer. So length of the quadrant of a radius r is 2 pi r by 4, which is equals to pi r by 2. Then you come to the 1 marks question, objective type question. 13th question. Write the formula to find area of sector of circle if angle at the center is theta degrees. It is a direct question. We have to write the formula for the area of the sector with angle theta. Write the formula. Area of sector of a circle. Area of sector of a circle is equals to what? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. It is a direct question. So you must write the formula to find the area of the sector of a circle with radius r and angle, sector angle theta. So theta by 360 into pi r square. Then the next question, 14th question. Write the formula to find length of the arc of sector of circle if angle at the center is theta degrees. Here you read the question. What is asked? Length of the arc of the sector of a circle. In the previous question, area is asked. In this question, length of the arc of a sector is asked. So here, same theta is there. That is the angle at the center is theta degree, or you can take as a radius. So what is that formula? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Instead of pi r square, write 2 pi r. So let us write that answer. Then you write length of the arc of sector of a circle. Sector of a circle equals what? Theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. If the area is asked, we must write pi r square in the place of 2 pi r. If length of the arc is asked, we must put 2 pi r. Question number 15. A circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Find the measure of the angle formed at the center in each sector. If the circle is divided into 8 equal parts, then to find the measurement of the angle at the center, what you have to do? 360 by 8. So write angle at the center. Center equals what? 360 degree by 8. That is 360 is to be divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. 4 is remaining here. 8 5s are. So how much? 45 degree. So if the sector is divided into 8 parts, what is the angle at the center in each sector? Angle at the center in each sector is equals to what? 360 degree divided by 8, which is equals to 45 degree. Question number 16. In the figure, O is the center of a circle of radius 3.5 cm. and angle AOB equals 90 degree. Find the length of the minor arc. Here radius is given how much? 3.5 centimeter. R is equals to 3.5 centimeter. And angle for the minor sector is given, that is 90 degree. But what we have to find out? Length of the minor arc. So what is that formula here? Theta you write. Theta is equals to what? 90 degree. Then what is asked? Length of the minor arc. Length of the minor arc. Same formula you have to write. Length of the arc. Length of the arc. That is nothing but here minor arc is equals to what? Theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r equals theta is 90 degree by 360 degree into 2 into 22 by 7. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7 into r. R value is 3.5. 3.5 equals, here you can cancel 0 0, 9 1s are 9 4s are. Next 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again 2 1s are 2 11s are. Then 7 1s are 7 5s are 35. Here 3.5 is 0.5s are. So you got 11 into 0.5. In the numerator 11 into 0.5 is remaining. In the denominator only 1. Then you can write 11 into 0.5. Here 11 5s are 55. That is 5.5 centimeter. As it is a length, express it in the form of centimeter. Therefore the length of the minor arc equals what? 5.5 centimeter. One more method you can apply. Here the angle is 90 degree means it is a quadrant. Quadrant means you can write 2 pi r by 4. So you can write length of the quadrant. As the angle is 90 degree, you can take it as quadrant is equals to what? 2 pi r by 4 is equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are. Pi means 22 by 7 by 2 means into 2 you can take. Then r. R is 3.5. 2 1s are 2 11s are. 7 1s are 7 0.5s are. Again you are going to get 11 into 0.5 which is equals to 5.5 centimeter. That also you can use. If the theta is 90 degree means it is 2 pi r by 4. That is nothing but pi r by 2. Pi r by 2 directly you can get. Then the question number 17. If the diameter of the circle is 7 centimeter, then find the length of the semicircular arc. Here the diameter of the circle is given. And what we have to find out? We have to find the length of the semicircular arc. That is nothing but the half of the perimeter of the circle. Here r is equals to what? 7 by 2. R is equals to 7 by 2. Then what is the length of the semicircular arc? Length of semicircular arc. You can use the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r by taking theta is equals to 180 degree for semicircle. But semicircle means half of the circle, that you can write 2 pi r by 2. It is complete circle length. By 2 means semicircle length. So it cancels pi r. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2. 7 7 cancels. 2 ones are 2 11s are, which is equals to 11 centimeter. If you use the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r, theta is equals to 180 degree. 180 by 360 means it becomes half of 2 pi r. Half of 2 pi r is nothing but 2 pi r by 2 only. Therefore, directly you can write 2 pi r by 2, or directly you can write pi r also. Question number 18. The area of the quadrant is 77 by 2 cm square. Find the radius of the circle. Here area of the quadrant is given. Area of the quadrant is 5r square by 4. Right? Area of quadrant equals 5r square by 4 is equals to what? 77 by 2. Then here you can do, that is 5 value is 22 by 7 into r square by 4 equals 77 by 2. Now you transfer 22 by 7 and 4 to the RHS. So only you write r square in the LHS equals 77 by 2 into, here 4 is in the denominator, it comes to the numerator, and 22 by 7 comes to the numerator and 22 comes to the denominator. Here you must take the reciprocal when it is transferred to RHS. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are, again 2 ones are 2 11s are, 11 ones are 11 sevens are. So you got r square equals 7 into 7. Then r is equals to root 7 into 7. If the square is removed in the LHS, root comes in the RHS. That is equals to what? Root 7 into 7 is 7 centimeter. So the radius of the circle is asked here. How much? 7 centimeter you got. The radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Then question number 19. The length of the arc of the quadrant of a circle is 22 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Here length of the arc of the quadrant of a circle is given. Length of the quadrant, length of the arc of the quadrant, or you directly write length of the arc, and it is a quadrant means 2 pi r by 4, which is equals to what? 5r by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so you got 5r by 2. That is equals to how much? 22 centimeter. 22. Then what you have to find out? You have to find out radius. Then pi r is equals to what? 22 into 2. Transfer this 2 to the RHS. Then you put the value of pi. Pi value is 22 by 7 into, write this r as it is, equals 22 into 2. Then r is to find out. Transfer this 22 by 7 to the RHS. Then it becomes r equals 22 into 2 into 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22 when it is transferred to RHS. Then 22 cancels. R is equals to what? 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is equals to 14 centimeter. Question number 20. If the area of a circle and its circumference are numerically equal, then find the radius of the circle. Here it is given that area of the circle is 5r square is equals to circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Then you can cancel pi. Then r square is equals to 2r. R square is r into r equals 2r. You can cancel r and r here. Then we got r is equals to 2 units. So if area and circumference are numerically equal, then what is the radius? Radius is 2 units. Here you write the formula for the area. Here you write the formula for the circumference, that is 5r square equals 2 5r square. That is 5r square equals 2 5r. 5 cancels. You will get r square equals 2r. R square can be written as r into r, and r cancels. What is remaining? This r is equals to 2 units.